Welcome to the Motorhome Matt podcast. He doesn't know why we're here, so we're here at the NEC show, the Motorhome and Caravan show 2023. We're doing your podcast, and hi, this is Matt.
She's back. This is Kat, Wandering Bird. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well. You're a busy bird this year.
I'm a busy bird. I'm a busy bird wandering. Yeah, no, I've been all over the place. It's been brilliant.
Kat, I understand you need a cover for your motorhome, is that right?
I do. This sounds like a sort of Mission Impossible type speed that we did that at. Let's go. Challenge Annika.
This is serious.
Can we find a motorhome cover? No, I do. I'm actually going to put my van in storage for a little bit this winter, and I need a cover. Tell me why I need a cover, Matt.
Well, they're a brilliant security device.
Yes.
That's often a benefit people don't realise. It's going to protect the paint from UV damage, bird lime, tree sap, and just general dirt, really.
Yeah.
Stops people peering into it. They're brilliant.
Yeah.
I'm a big believer in covers. Lots of people say, no, they're going to scratch it to death. They don't. The insides of them are really soft, and they're 4-ply and they're breathable. So they're not waterproof, so your motorhome is still going to get wet. But because it's breathable, it will dry. Okay. And if it was waterproof, then you're into materials that possibly could scratch the surface. So I recommend a full cover. 2 of you, set steps and some kind of pole so you can feed the straps under it. Is what you're going to need.
I have me, no steps, and a spaniel. Will that work? I'm going to film it. I am going to film this.
It will definitely work if you film it,
yes.
Because we'll all have a laugh.
Luckily, my van is a tree magnet, and I decided long ago that I didn't care about scratches, so I'm not too worried about that.
I've seen your van.
I know.
I can tell. Now, I would recommend you washed it first. It's going to be the first time you've done that in 3 years, I know.
I don't wash my van. I take it to nice dealers and they do it for me.
Well, you can do that.
Okay, good night.
So I would get it washed, including the roof, first.
Yep. Why?
So it goes away clean. Because any dirt that's on it could cause it to scratch around on the windows, and that's what you want to avoid. So by putting it away clean, you should do that anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you'll see the benefit of having the cover all winter as well when you take it off, and it's still clean.
That would be lovely.
Right, so how long's your van?
6.8 metres.
Okay, so we've got some covers over here. We're going to look at them. You can see they're all different lengths, and you measure from the back of the motorhome to the front of the bumper.
I have got a back box. Do I have to include the back box?
It will. There is some sag in this. These are universal covers.
You give me a saggy cover? I'm sure there's a joke we could make. But we won't, because we're above such things.
Absolutely. But there are straps on the front and the back, which you can't see in this picture.
Okay.
So you can tighten it up. So you would just tighten those around your back box.
Okay, perfect.
I can't believe you're talking about your back box.
Look, I didn't comment. I was so good then.
So we want to cover, this one is 6.5 to 7 metres long.
Yep.
That's going to cover yours, isn't it?
Well, the motorhome is 6.9, so is that enough, or do I need to build in wiggle room?
No, it'd be fine. That means you're going to take up some of the sag with the motorhome, you see?
Oh, you see, so less of a saggy back box.
It's going to be, you'll need to pull it over, but it will fit over and it will actually pull it tight.
This is going to be hilarious. I don't even know where to start with this.
The key is, right, when you're putting them on, you need a bit of wind, right? Back to that box. No! You need a breeze, and then the breeze will fill the cover like a sail.
Okay.
And you'll disappear with it.
I'm genuinely quite nervous about doing this. You know that,
Don't put it up in a gale, for goodness sake, right? But just a light breeze, breeze. A breeze will help you lift the cover and get it over the motorhome. Honestly, you need someone to help you.
Okay, I will try if I can find someone to help me.
Ring me when you're doing it, and I'll be on holiday.
Okay, brilliant. Unavailable for the next
How are you
week.
going to film it?
I'm going to set my GoPro up and just film me looking like an idiot.
This is going to go on
carry-on
cover or something.
Yeah, I'll sell it for You've Been Framed.
You've Been Framed, that's the one. So I reckon this is the one you want.
Okay.
So I'll get Darren over and we'll see if we can get some money off your card, shall we?
Sounds good.
Okay, when you're ready. Oh, it says declined, Cat. I'm sorry.
Fair enough. Sorry, that's all right.
I've not even got a card to keep either.
It says call authorities. What have you been doing?
Watch off me.